Nigga got money.
It is 11:34 a.m. February 24th, and we're looking at my stock market performance for the day. So far this morning, we are up 13%. Oh, well, 12%. We up 12%. So, I mean, as you know, the market fluctuates. Nothing goes straight up. So, we had that big burst in the morning from the earnings call, and it did subside. So, I'm back in my Charles Schwab account. So, but yeah, we up again, 30,000. So now I don't want to misrepresent. You know what I'm saying? A lot of that 50,000 from the morning went back down over the course of the day, but it's coming back up. So I'm above the peak. So as you can see, I think I was at 92,000 for the month yesterday. Now I'm back up. I'm up to 98,000. So we gonna probably hit that hundo today. So we doing good in the market, man. We doing good. My total value is up to 263. I'm gonna be adding some more money in there today out of my pocket to invest more. And I look at my frat brother, like, if his stock go up 2%, he make 30,000. He make 23,000 or something like that. So I want more of a base in there. So I'm gonna add some more money in. I'm gonna go to the bank and send a wire, and hopefully, make this number. This is the most important number, my total gains or loss. And I want this to be hundreds of thousands and ultimately millions of dollars to be in this number. So this is the number. I'm gonna start just showing y'all this number. Like I said, once I get to a certain level, I ain't gonna show this number no more. So enjoy this number while I'm showing it to you, brothers. Enjoy this number. But we just gonna be looking at this number right here. But it's your boy Lord Hybrid. Every day we getting money. Because you gotta think now. If I get 100,000 in a month in the stock market and my business makes 100,000, that's a $200,000 month. So that means my net worth is increased by 200,000 this month. You see what I'm saying? So I'm really focused, man. I know these content creators want to tell you how to get the hoes, but your boy Lord Hybrid want to tell you how to get the dough, bruh. You feel me? That's a nice number to look at. That's a nice number that I made in 3 weeks. That's a good number. I like that number. You see my portfolio went up by 60%. Come on now, talk to me. You feel me? So go to your other content creator, because he's going to give you the game on the bitches and what to say and how to be a man with the hoes and get some pussy. Your boy Lord Hybrid, going to tell you how to get this bread, bruh. Fuck the hoes. It's your boy Lord Hybrid, I'm out this bitch.
Lord Hybrid, my boy, man. Thank you, my boy Lord Hybrid. Everybody spam up some W's for my boy Lord Hybrid.
Lord Hybrid, appreciate all of the impact that you got me to do. You got me to make content.
Thank you, Lord Hybrid.
And then I want to give an acknowledgement to my rich friends in the building. Shout out to Lord Hybrid.
Nigga got money. Yo, Lord Hybrid, my boy got them bands, bro.
Shout out to Lord Hybrid.
Lord Hybrid. Shout out to Lord Hybrid.
Shout out to Lord Hybrid.
I'm saying.
The way to make $1 million first and foremost is to make it in your mind.
But if you believe in God, believe in SP motherfucking I. Believe in that, for real.
When you are the truth, you just keep on rising and rising. Before you know, them busters on the way down.
I want all the cars. I want all my niggas with the cars. I want all the hoes. I want all the jewelry. We popping bottles.
Yo, Lord Hybrid, my boy got them bands, bro.
I got money too. And then I want to give an acknowledgement to my rich friends in the building. Shout out to Lord Hybrid.
I can smell a motherfucker with money.
Lord Hybrid up in this bitch. Lord Hybrid. Lord Hybrid, my brother. Peace to the God. And Lord Hybrid is in the building.
Yo. It's your boy Lord Hybrid up in the building, man. And I guess y'all seen that video. I did that this morning. Like I said, I think it was like 11 something in the morning. I did that video. Just checked my the performance of my assets, my equities, and they was up what? They was up 12% at that time. I think that was, what was that? I was like, what time was that? I think it was 11:43 this morning. Something like that. But at that time, yeah, I was up to $98,280.53 for the month at that moment. Of course, it's constantly fluctuating. As you can see that chart, up and down, up and down, up and down, but mostly up and to the right. So yeah, like I said, man, I hate to say it because I don't want the brothers to feel like I'm antagonizing them, but crypto's fucking dead. Fuck crypto. You know what I mean? We did it. Yo, you got to remember, it's just like a bitch. You might have her for a couple of years. You fuck her. You take her to dinner. Everything's good. You getting value. Then after a while, that relationship don't work no more. And what you do, you got to kick that bitch out the whip.
Lord Hybrid is right.
So crypto, hey, she did a lot of good things for me. Bitch put me in the penthouse. Bitch bought me a car cash. Bitch put some hundreds of thousands in my pockets. But the bitch ain't producing no more, so the bitch gotta go. You know what I'm saying? One of them defective units. You know what I'm saying? We to get rid of defective units. And now we got something new. So yeah. That was where we was at that point this morning. I think it was 11:43 this morning. We was up 12% already. Boy, Lord Hybrid, and before we get started, I want to issue an apology. I want to apologize to you brothers for making this boring ass content. Because I know you want these niggas out here singing on their streams and talking about the hoes and big booties and bending them over and how to get the hoes and all that stuff. I know that's what you like. And you keep coming into my stream or coming onto my channel, all you see is Charles Schwab and hundreds of thousands of dollars. And that's boring. And I'm sorry I can't entertain you niggas. But I'm going to train you niggas. Give you some knowledge. Give you something you can put in your pocket, brother. So we once again in my Charles Schwab account. And we going to the field. So yeah, we want to go to the field orders. So we over here in field, right? And I want to show you the profitability on my trades. But really, I'm not trading, but like my buys. So we're going to scroll. Let's scroll down to the beginning. Okay. So as you can see, I got started back on, what was that? January the 28th. And it's currently February the 24th. So not quite a month ago. The current price of my stock is $11.11. I'm number one all the way across the board, baby. You see that? But anyway, you see, I got these buys in. So my first buy, I bought 1,715 shares. I bought them at $5.80. Then I bought another similar amount at $5.70. So you gotta think, this is less than a month ago, and the stock is now 11.09. See what I'm saying? So let's do the calculator. Where we at with the calculator? Let's go to the calculator. Okay. So $0.39, $6.40. And even, I think this was my latest buys. I bought on the 20th. So that my latest buys. $6.37, $6.39, $6.40. And even, I think this was my latest buys. I bought on the 20th. So that's 4 days ago. I bought for $8.74. And now it's $11.13. You know, the price is live, so the price keeps changing. So now on this one, I spent, let's look at this one. This buy right here, I bought 5,042 shares. So I bought 4 days ago. Your ass up here, nigga. I bought 5,042 shares at, I spent $8.90. So 8.09. No, I'm sorry. Let me get that right. 8.905. So I spent $44,899.01, right? So if we take this, we're gonna copy that. So I hit the Control C, right? Control C, boom. Okay. Then we clear this out. And we do let's go back. $5,042 shares times the current price, which is $11.13. Right? So you see that calculation. Now that's worth $56,000. So if we take that $56,000 and minus the money I spent, I bought that on, so this right here, I bought on the 20th, like I said, it's the 24th right now. So in 4 days, I made $11,218 off this one trade so far. You know what I'm saying? So that's how you get to the valuations to where I'm making like $100,000 a month. I'm investing heavy, and I know a lot of people don't have, hundreds of thousands of dollars laying around, but this is how you do it. And like my big bro did, he been doing this for the last 25 years straight with little bits of money. Bought early Googles, early Amazons, and all that stuff. And he got big money in the stock market. So I'm just getting started. But because I'm an entrepreneur and I make money every month, I can put in larger amounts. So this month ain't over with yet, but the way it stands now, my net worth is going to increase by $200,000. So if I can increase my net worth by $200,000 in a month, imagine what I can do in a year. Imagine what I can do in 3 years. My business was banging yesterday. I made a lot of money in my business yesterday. My boys was out there just selling, just getting it. You know what I'm saying? So this stock market thing, I'm starting to really get into it, man. But I'm just showing you, these are my orders. This is how profitable it can be with your trades in the stock market. This thing is, you see me, I'm making money while I'm on this stream. This thing done went up to $11.18. Remember when I was just a few minutes ago, I was number one? I'm number one, 1111. It done went up. That's a percentage. That's a percentage increase of my net worth that done just happened. You know what I'm saying? So I'm finna go to the bank and put some more money in this thing. But yeah, so just imagine how now that this thing is at 11. Yeah, I think each of these early trades, I was trying to spend $10,000 at a time because I put like 100,000 in. I was like, okay, I'm gonna do $10,000 trades, see if I catch some dips. And as you can see, I was missing the dips. The price kept just going up. I should have just went all in on this 570 right here. I should have just went all in, but I'm trying to be slick and I ain't doing nothing but losing money. Look at that. 1124 now. This is my net worth going up. You're watching it live happen. Okay? So let's see. Now I was below 100,000. Let's see where for the month's increase in value. Let's see where I'm at now. Hold on. Want no wrong information to come on. Let me see. Realize gain. No, positions. Let me go to positions. You see where I'm at now? You see what I'm talking about? You see my net worth going up in real time? You see that? That's what's happening. I'm over 100,000 in less than a month, bro. Pretty soon I'm gonna be making more off the stock market than I'm gonna be making off my business. It's real. Shoot, might not be pretty soon. Might be now. The way it's looking. It's looking like I'm gonna make more this month off of my stock portfolio than I am going to be my business. Now, I won't know how much money I made this month until the end of the month, but it's looking like my stocks are going to beat my business. And that was what I took this morning. That was the this valuation that was like 1143 or whatever this morning of my valuation. So it's a stock game. First of all, look at that. I saw that what came up on Watcher Guru. Oh, and see, that's another thing that you got to be aware of too. I just seen this thing pop up on Watcher Guru. What he said about President Trump. President Trump doing the State of the Union, and he says everybody portfolios are gaining. Everybody is up, way up. So he's talking about the stock market, and he must be peaking in my portfolio because I'm way up. But you got to understand too. Of course, you got to pick good stocks or good funds or whatever you're gonna do. He's getting rid of the old Fed chair because he wants a Fed chair that's going to lower the rates. He wants the rates to be lowered. He wants the dollar to be weaker. And he wants that to happen so that we can export more. With a weaker dollar, our products will be cheaper abroad. But also, when they lower rates, it pumps up the stock market. So that is also going to be a bullish trend and a bullish, tailwind pushing the stock market up. Now, I happen to feel like I've found a good equity, and I'm not sharing that. Yeah, first of all, you know what? I'm not getting like 100 views. I'm not trying to be the biggest content creator out there. Not monetized, not really looking to be monetized, but I got to get some more views. Maybe when I get to like 300 views, I might drop the stock ticker so y'all can go get some. But I ain't dropping till I get my views up. So the people who do listen to me, y'all gonna have to either share my videos or y'all should be clicking the notification bell. And I need my views to go up. I mean, I'm satisfied with 100 views because at least I know my 100 people they're real people. I'm not being promoted or anything. But yeah, it's gonna be a lot of things that's gonna be pushing the stock market up. So if you can find good stocks, it's just like, look, I look at it like Bitcoin. When I first started making my Bitcoin videos, nobody knew about Bitcoin. And when I'm doing these stock videos, like my stock right now, nobody's never heard of the stock. It's a few people in the know that know about this stock, but most people don't. And it ain't too much on the stock market that's moving like this stock. You'll probably be hearing about it soon. I'm quite sure you'll be hearing about it. But when I first started talking about Bitcoin, nobody knew about it. And when I first started talking about it, especially out here on my old Lower Hybrid channel, SPI Hybrid or whatever I was calling myself at the time, nobody never heard of Bitcoin or crypto except for a few insiders. And I had already been in it for years. I probably had been in it for like 3 years before I talked about it out here. So then I started talking about it, and then people started looking into it. Then everybody was like into it. And, over the years, you see what it did. This stock, I chose the stock that I chose because it's a smaller cap stock with good leadership and something that's a product that I believe in. I believe in it, that it's a solid product, as well as I believe in the mission of the company and the product. So it has its challenges, but that's the risk that we accept when we purchase interest in the company. So, you know, I became aware of the company months ago. I think it's approaching, what's the live price and now what's the after hours price? Let me see. Let me see. Yep. It even goes up after hours. So it's at close. Yeah, it's up 3.72% already since the closing. So it reached kind of a high, then it kind of settled down a little bit. But yesterday we did almost 18% gains. And it's still climbing after hours. It's a hot stock. It's a smaller cap stock, so it's like 10, 11 billion or something like that market cap. They're still losing money, so it's kind of like Amazon before they started actually becoming profitable and making money. They were losing money for years. But their revenue growth is increasing, beating estimates, and they're spreading and the growth and all that. So, you know, I took a lot of time, and like it's probably like approaching like like $12, $11, $12 or whatever it was. What's the price? What was that sort of price in this joint? Yeah. So when we looked at the price right here, yeah, it was $11.19 at that time. It's more now. When I found out about it, it was like $2. And like I said, when I first found out about it, I took some time, like a couple of months, just to research. And I wish I was buying back then, because from $2 to $12, that's a 6x. I would have, so everything I'm putting in now, 6 times more. So yeah, I'd be a couple of million already. But it's still relatively early. I could easily see this as a $50 billion company, $100 billion company, and bigger than that. So I'm going all in now. And you know, when you go to the bank, well, you can do our advisory services. Even a lady today, she was telling me, well, I think you should have diversified more. And like, look, bitch, that's for those normies. That's for those niggas like I know that went to college with me, that 25 years later, after putting their money in a diversified portfolio, they got $300,000 and they be thinking they rich. Like, wow, I've got 300,000 in my 401k. Like they ain't never seen no money. So it's like that looked like a lot of money. You know what I mean? And me and Big Bruh, we be talking, and he be like, yo, that ain't nothing. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's what a diversified portfolio and the advisors, and you're gonna sit up there and talk to some advisors. I mean, I'm gonna sit up there and talk to some advisors who got less money than me. I don't need their advice. I need some advice from some people that got more money than me. So I'm not diversifying. I am aggressively investing in a small cap, high quality business entity. I'm buying. I have a goal of a number of shares that I want to accumulate, and I want to spend this year doing it. And unfortunately, while I'm doing that, the price is increasing and increasing and increasing daily.
When you look at what Lord Hybrid is saying, he's right about all that, really.
Yeah. So I'd be like, nah, I don't need your advisory services. We need to send this wire right now. So anyway, let's get a little more. So we did that. We did that. Let's do this. Brother, just because you watching Lord Hybrid, don't be thinking that your favorite content creator, the little red pill ass nigga that's on here showing you his watching his or whatever and making you think he rich when he not. Don't think he's low IQ or he's stupid or you shouldn't watch him because he's entertaining. Keep watching him. But also what you need to do is keep watching Lord Hybrid get 20% on his money every damn day. Yeah, man. Stock market is like, I mean, it's just blowing my mind more and more every day. So those first videos that I did, those were the ones I did this morning. And then this series of videos that I'm on right now, these are the ones that I did after market close this evening. You know, Yahoo Finance ain't gonna lie to me. They just keep telling me the truth, and what they keep telling me is another 20%. And I'm gonna show you how much that's valued at, what it mean to me. But yo, the stock market is popping. I looked at poor little Bitcoin today. I was like, damn. Ew. You know how 50 say, damn, homie, in high school you was the man, homie. The fuck happened to you? That's what we saying to Bitcoin. 20% up, bro. Straight up. Now, we gonna go back over here. And we gonna go see my boy Charles. Yo, Charles, what up, homie? What up, homie? Charles, where you at, bro? There you go. My boy Charles, Mr. Schwab. Ain't that a German name? I don't know. But we gonna go ahead and make sure you see. Watch me hit that refresh. So we refreshing, so you know we ain't bullshitting. Because you know niggas be out here lying and fronting, and you know Lord Hybrid would never do that. But we gonna start right here. This is my total gain. So I've been in, like I said, January the 28th was when I made my first trade. Now, brothers, I know I was talking about the amount, and it is such kind of an eye-popping amount for many people. There's a lot of super rich people, like 100,000 is nothing to them, but to most people, especially in my audience, that's probably a significant amount of money. Even to me, that's a significant amount of money. When we start talking hundreds of thousands, my ears kind of perk up. But the most important aspect of this is I have a 70%. You see that number below the 114 that's in the small parentheses? That's a 69.37% return that I've gotten in a month. That's 70%, bro. That's not common, especially in the stock market. We used to do that in crypto, you know, up, down, depending on your crypto. But since January the 28th, which is less than a month ago, I've done a 70% return. And so that was this easy. This, what you're looking at, is from this evening after market close. So your boy Lord Hybrid then did 70% and made 114,000. Like I said, my business will probably make 95,000 this month. So if there's not a significant crash, which I'm not anticipating before the end of the month, you know, it's gonna be a $200,000 increase in my net worth this month or more. We don't know what this stock's gonna do. It could go up another 50 before the end of the month, another 50%. It could be $20. You see what I'm saying? Because I took the time to research, dig out, and find something that's a gem, just like I used to do in crypto. Because of course we knew about Bitcoin, but I used to go down in them nooks and them crannies. We had BitConnect, and BitConnect was cool, but then I dig in them nooks and crannies and find me a little Regal coin and be like, yo, this is good. Or what's the other one? Some of them other coins, but it ended up with 70x flips. So, you know, I'll suggest to the people, man, start just opening up your ears, start digging. You know, for every nugget of gold that they find, somebody had to do some digging. I did some digging to find this. You know what I'm saying? And when we get them views up, I'm gonna drop it on y'all. But until then, I'm just gonna keep stunting on y'all because I had to dig and I had to take all of the risk. I already did. A lot of these niggas got a lot of money off me giving away all my crypto picks. And they got paid, which I'm glad about. But hey, the game is to be viewed, not chewed. And my impression, so you know we ain't bullshit, because you know niggas be out here lying and fronting, and you know Lord Hybrid would never do that. But we're gonna start right here. This is my total gain. So I've been in, like I said, January the 28th was when I made my first trade. And my total gain or loss, and you know it'd be green with a plus sign if it's gain. So in less than a month, my portfolio has given me gains of $114,000. 803. So $114,803.46. Okay? So and just today, where's today at? See that right there? Hold on, let's go down, bro. Day change, that's what we're looking for. What we did today, we did another $45,000, bro. You know what I'm saying? 45,000, 46,000, whichever one it is. But we did 40, I'm gonna say 45, 40, I'm gonna say about 46,000. We did 46,000 today. Bruh, that's real. That's really real. Like, and see, like I said, I know everybody don't got hundreds of thousands to put up, but you know, I always say that good opportunities, really good opportunities come about around once a decade. So like when you see it, investors like Warren Buffett is sitting on like $380 billion in cash and everything's going crazy. And Warren Buffett ain't gonna do nothing but keep stacking cash. And then he's gonna wait for a crash. And when good stuff is cheap, he's gonna gobble it all up. And he made his all these decades, he made his whole thing off just holding big packs of cash, waiting for something bad to happen and buying everything cheap, then riding it up for the next 10 years and doing it again. That's what he did. So for me, I don't have the discipline because sometimes I get a little antsy, but I had a couple of opportunities. Like with last year, I was really suffering from procrastination. I was suffering bad. And it was because I was procrastinating, because I wasn't focused. There were investment opportunities that I had the money for that I actually communicated. It was like some pre-sales and stuff like that in businesses that I could have did, and I just asked around. So to me, that's why New Year's resolutions, like every time I talk to black people, like my people I know in real life, what's your New Year's resolution, man? I don't make no New Year resolution, man. They said they don't do it, but they also don't make any improvements. So for me, a resolution is a good time to take a post-mortem or a view and summary of all of the negatives that accumulate within you over the year and use your resolution to say, hey, I'm going to get rid of that. And one of the things that I was going to get rid of was my procrastination on taking advantage of opportunities because they don't come. Like I said, a great opportunity might present itself once a decade. It's like, even with women, I usually meet like one good woman per decade. I meet a lot of chicks, but like a woman, like somebody I could feel like I might have potential with once per decade. Whether I'm rapid dating or whether I'm not dating that much, usually once per decade. So while you're not in that space, you should be stacking your paper because you know eventually a good opportunity is going to come. So I stacked up a lot of paper and I came across this opportunity and it sounded good immediately. And if I had moved immediately, these numbers would be way higher than what they are now. They'd be way higher. I'm talking about we talking about 6 figures, they'd be 7 figures, definitely. High sevens. I'd be close to meeting my $10 million goal, but yeah, man. And so what I also did, which I'll show you, was I added some more money. We getting close to the time where I'm gonna stop showing y'all what's all up in here. But I went up in here. So when you look at today change, it says 186,000, right? And that's because I added another 140,000, and we'll show you the proof on that. You know what I'm saying? Okay, now I'm gonna show you the proof on that real quick. Then we're gonna finish this one out. I remember last week, your boy Lord Hybrid went to the bank. What day was that? That was February 18th, 2026. All right, you see that? Okay. And what did I do? I said, I need to send off $65,000. And they said to who? I said, to my boy Charles. You know how we roll, right? So y'all remember that, right? So now, I had to show back up at the bank. Same department, right? And I did that today. I did that February 24th, 2026, today. And so I went up in there, and what did I do? This time I did $140,000 on the wire. $140,000. That's where we at with it. And of course, who did I send it to? You guessed it. My boy Charles. Big C Dog. My boy. Y'all know how I'm rolling. I'm serious, yo. I'm aggressive about my investing. And my girl Hannah took care of me. And we went in. $140,000 a day, y'all. Tell those other really entertaining content creators who can tell you how to Mac forward, backwards, and sideways to show you some digits. I don't want to see no used car high mileage. I don't want to see no goddamn stainless steel watch. I want to see some numbers, and they can't show you none. But you can sign up to their course anyway, because you might can learn something. But they ain't going to show you nothing. So my total market value, and that's because I added another 140,000, and we'll show you the proof on that. You know what I'm saying? So my total market value, I remember, what's my cost basis? My cost basis, when it says the market value, that's how much, that 280,000, that's how much all my stocks that I've purchased so far are worth now. And my cost basis is 165,000. So that's how much. So I paid 165,000, and now what I paid in to get those stocks, I bought $165,492 worth of stocks, and now in under a month those stocks are worth $280,295.46. Okay, so that's my total market value. And my total account value is now 420. Let's smoke something. Let's smoke something on that 420, bruh. Yo, this shit is like taking me back to crypto. Just the games, getting money, you know what I mean? Doing this. But it's even better than crypto. It's even better than crypto. So yeah, we doing this, and we doing so. I mean, all the numbers make sense because if you add up, where that calculator at? If you add up this, not that one. You want to add up these two numbers right here. So my total inputs is 165,492. That's how much I paid for the stocks, and then we added to my total gains of 114. So we're gonna say plus 114, 803.46. So we're gonna add these two numbers, and we get 280. We get 280, right? 280, 295, 46 right there. So that's what I invested and what my gains are. And so now we see, now I got an extra cash of 140,000. And so if we added what I just added in there today, another 100. See, these damn so-called fake rich ass content creators, they'll show you a fucking car that they borrowed money and bought using high mileage. They'll show you a fucking goddamn anything, a watch, even though it won't be fly as my shit. They'll show you all this shit, but they won't show you no numbers. Lord Hybrid showing you cold hard cash numbers. These niggas ain't me. But anyway, so now I went in and I added another 140,000 today. So now my total account value, you see, this is the market value. That's the value of the stocks. The account value is that 420. So if I add this 140,000, because I think that $8 was some change left over, but I only sent 140K even. So if I add plus 140,000, we gonna equal that out to that 420. You see what I'm saying? That same old 420. They can't do this. They can crack jokes, they can sing for you, they can scream at bitches and be mad, raging, red pills, tell you to buy the pussy, goddamn love the pussy, game the pussy. They can tell you every which way in and out, but they cannot show you no motherfucking digits, those hoe ass niggas. And I love y'all. Watch them niggas. They entertaining. I watch them. I be laughing and shit. But I want some low IQ, dumbass, ignorant shit. But I want some real shit. Ain't nowhere else to go but Lord Hybrid, y'all. Y'all know that. Much love, though. Much love, though. Much love. I love everybody. I don't give a fuck about these goddamn stupid ass niggas. It's your boy Lord Hybrid. I'm out this bitch.
So yeah, man, it's you know, whatever number. Let's say you got 10,000. Just imagine if you took 10,000 last month, invested it, and now you have 17,000. You see what I'm saying? So it's just like crypto, man. I just, I love when I find something that I'm excited about, that I really want to invest in. I go aggressive. I wouldn't even call it high risk. I just go focused and aggressive, and I'm willing to lose. If this stock goes to zero and I lose everything that I put in, I can live with it. I would be hurt. I would be angry, but I've dealt with that before. I've dealt with losing 10 Bitcoin. I've dealt with put my money, like some of those lending platforms back in the day with crypto, and then you go log in the morning and you can't get your money out, or the thing's shut down or it's gone. I didn't dealt with some losses. And that's why I say this is better than crypto, because back then when we was investing in crypto, there was a lot of things that you didn't know who owned it, you didn't know where it was located, and you were sticking a lot of money in it and hoping to get a lot of money out of it. And it was unregulated. We didn't know what country it was in. We didn't know nothing about nothing. But at least with this, when you invested in stocks, for it to actually be on the market, it's vetted. Doesn't mean it intrinsically has value, but it's a little bit more legit than some of the stuff that I have invested in and have taken losses on. So it's like I said before when I showed the diagram with the levels of money. You got to make your own plan. You got to do your research, but you can scratch and scrape and dig and research, and you can find a little gold nugget that'll change your life. So I'm just sharing. I ain't trying to, I'm stunting. I'm showing numbers to motivate you, because no matter what numbers I show, the most important numbers are the percentages. For me to get a 70% return in a month in the stock market, not crypto, the stock market, that's something. That's something. So it's something to think about. And it's just something that I'm really enjoying. And me and Big Bro, we enjoying it, man. He watching me. Now he think about buying some of my stock. You know what I'm saying? He think about buying some of my stock. When I first was telling him about it, he wasn't trying to hear it. And I just keep showing, look, nigga, 20% today. Nigga, 40,000 today, 50,000 a day. And he'll be up today like, yo. He was like, yo, you made all he was impressed, man. He was impressed. And that kind of made me feel good, Hold up.
Let's be honest. You just need to jump on. You made basically $100,000 profit, and let's be honest.
I had sent him this message this morning. I was like, I showed him my game. Like I said, this dude got millions in the stock market. And I showed it to him this morning. And I said, I did my first trade on January 28th, less than a month. My investment is up over 60%, and I've made over 100K.
Let's just be honest. You just need to drop the mic. You made basically $100,000 profit, and basically in less than a month. What can you do that at, man? I'm just saying. Someone's salary that takes someone a whole year. So just think about that. You made someone's salary that takes somebody a whole year to make, and you made that in 1 month, $100,000.
You know what I'm saying? And I'm talking about, this dude is like impressed because he know I never bought a stock. I'm an entrepreneur. I make my own money out the mud grinding. You know what I'm saying? And I told him, I said, I'm about to come into your world. He was like, all right, man. And when I told him, I told him how aggressively I was gonna come in, and he was like, well, what you gonna do? How you gonna do it? I said, well, I'm trying to get like 50,000 shares. That nigga was like, my phone started ringing. He was like, dog, no, hold on, man, just dog, just get 1,000 shares, man. Yo, boy, you crazy, boy, you going in like that, man? What's wrong, man? And you cool, man? I was like, dude, I know you big, you diverse, and you start small and nigga, I'm going in with everything, nigga. I'm taking the whole thing. So he called me this morning. He video called me because look, and it hurt me, even though I made 46,000 today in the stock market, and my business was like super banging yesterday, and it was kind of banging again today. So yo, my money been going wow. But I had to do something very important yesterday. I was supposed to go to the bank and do that wire that I did today. I was supposed to do it yesterday. And I was supposed to put that 140K in yesterday and invest it yesterday. I missed out on about $30,000 extra because I had to put it off for one day. And I had told him, I was like, yo, I borrowed 70,000 from one of my companies, and I'm gonna pull out another, And so he said, okay, you gonna put the 70,000 in? I was like, yeah. So I told him that yesterday. So when he called me today, he was like, yo, he was like, so you going in with the 70 today? He said, because I thought you had did it yesterday. I was like, I couldn't. I had to go take care of some business yesterday, but I'm going in today. I'm going in with 140. Every time I say a bigger number to me, dog, he was wilding. He was like, you just go crazy. And I was like, bro, I have an aggressive investment philosophy. I was thinking about like getting another 100K. I was like, I gotta leave a little bit in my company. I was thinking about like, I got 100K on the damn credit or the line of credit. I could just press a button and another 100K will pop up in my account. I could pull that out and pay that off over time and dump that in right now and keep getting these 20% daily rises. I go maniacal, and I almost pulled the trigger on that, yo. That's how crazy I go with it when I get in my aggressive mode. I go crazy with it, but I stopped myself. I said, no debt. Just use some cash. You could carry a little bit less cash. You go in with the 140, leave it at that. Don't you go, I'm talking to myself. Like, don't you go crazy, because I'll go crazy. I'll go all the way with it. So I tempered myself. It was hard not to go in there and with like 240K, bro. I could have did it. You know what I mean? Only thing I won't do, I won't sell my gold. I won't borrow against my house. But yeah, I was about to tap that line of credit, bro. But I was like, nah, we got to get the company about to make some more money. So in a couple more weeks, I have some more money. I'll probably have another 100 grand of income that accumulated, so I can, pay my people, pay myself, and then take what's left and come back again. And stop getting so impatient. It's a process. I'm gonna have to do this all year. So I just but right now, even though it's up a lot, it's still cheap. So I was like trying to front load, get as much in early as I can, and then just accept what I can accept for the rest of the year. But my goal really is to get up to 50,000 shares. So anyway, you know what it is, man. I'm serious about this, bro. I'm dead serious. I'm dead focused. I ain't playing, bro. Especially now I'm seeing Bread and even Big Brother's impressed. He was like, yo, you picked a winner. So yeah, I'm on it, man. I'm on it.
When you look at what Lord Hybrid is saying, he's right about all that, really.
And last but not least, to all the to all my people, my content creators out there. It's from everybody on my side. All my all my SPI people, man. We got love for you. You know what I mean? All the content creators. But y'all should be spreading my words. Y'all should be spreading my words. But if you down with SPI, we love you. All the rest of you.
I told you this, nigga.
We are better than you niggas. We are better than you niggas.
You ain't nobody.
We are better than you niggas.
You're so dumb.
We are better than you niggas.
You ain't shit.
We are better than you niggas.
You ain't shit.
We are better than you niggas.
You ain't nobody.
We are better than you niggas.
You're so dumb.
We are better than you niggas.
You ain't nobody.
We are better than you niggas.
Wow.
We are better than you niggas. We are better than you niggas. We are better than you niggas. We are better than you niggas.
You're so dumb. You ain't nobody. You ain't shit.
We don't claim you. SP motherfucking I.
These niggas can't touch us.
Lord Hybrid, my boy, man. Thank you, my boy Lord Hybrid. Everybody spam up some W's for my boy Lord Hybrid.
Lord Hybrid, appreciate all of the impact that you got me to do. You got me to make content. Thank you, Lord Hybrid.
I told you this, nigga.
In business, the goal is for you to become independent and be the boss, take the responsibility, and also get the profit.
I ain't got no motherfucking boss. SP motherfucking I.
The way to make $1 million, first and foremost, is to make it in your mind.
You dummy! You ain't nobody.
Royalty, the Lord and the Emperor. Yo, bitch, she done already got taken advantage of. We been pimping her. I been renting, stimping her, busting on her. I think I bust so much on her, I gave her pneumonia. She was trying to give me herpes. I told her, please, pass me that box of condoms. I got to put that over me before I go up in you. You know how I do hybrid, I'm keeping it true. 100% the realest. You could tell I really did it. You could see I really live it. Motherfucking big booty bitches running around in the penthouse with their asses all out. Follow behind the camera that I'm holding. I'm molding these bitches to be more devilish. Niggas is getting mad. It's real sad when you look at what he have and then you look at what you got and you be like, damn, I don't have much.
Not the broke nigga. We don't claim you.
Not even a lot of hoes come through cause your place kinda funky and creepy and small. Man, get your old ass balls and get up off your drawers and go out there and make some money, nigga. Build your wealth. You ought to be ashamed of yourself with your broke ass.
I'm broke, nigga. I'm broke.
Go work for your master, niggas work for me and give me cheese. Nigga, it's a blessing to be this intelligent and effervescent with my mind shining way brighter than the fucking sun even shine. Y'all niggas need to put more time in trying to understand what the grind is. Y'all niggas was walking out here wealthless and mindless.
I'm broke, nigga. I'm broke. I can't eat. Suck a dog dick, nigga. Fuck you, nigga. And I said I suck your dick.
Because I told you last night don't be fucking smoking if you ain't got my fucking money. I told you that shit last night, right? If you ain't got my money.
SP motherfucking I. I told you this, nigga. You was gonna get left.
Jason. Get the fuck off our dick.
Get my money, you cheap bitch.
Come on, I got a present for you. Suck it. Suck it, nigga.
Ain't nobody slinging no dick in here but Big Daddy, because he the only one paying bills.
Right.
Stay the fuck away from these hoes, the dumb motherfuckers. Like, god damn.
You ain't black.
Again with the money?
Yeah, again with the money.
God damn, look at my pockets now. Started my own business. I done blew up for realists. Stacks coming in every day. On foreign islands is where the fuck I stay. Fucking foreign bitches, they be cooking, they be fucking, they be sucking. Man, it isn't nothing. I'm the motherfucking shit. Bitch, without you, I'm set free. I'm so damn high. You got to look up on the sky, cause I'm on a plane, that's why. To an international destination with no hesitation. Got bitches waiting at reception with invitations with my name on it, goddammit. I done turned my life to the shit. And guess what? I didn't need no motherfucking bitch. You got left!
SP motherfucking I.
Come on, I got a present for you. Suck it! Suck it, nigga! You get the fuck up for $1 million?
He wants to fuck her.
Bitch nigga. I'm bitch nigga proof, nigga. Bitch niggas can't even hold on to me, nigga. It takes unintelligible focus. Ever since the morning I've awoken, I've been focused on getting my money. Got a couple of things I got to do, and it might sound funny, but I need to get with my consultant. He gonna teach me how to get this corporate credit. You better respect it. I done paid him 3 G's on his ass, so you know I'm finna really get it. And also I got brand imaging to make. Yep, I'ma send it over to my factory, so when they make my packaging, I get the cake. Make it look like a cornflake box, but better make you gotta buy it, nigga. It's gonna be good for you, to you. Nigga better understand, do you? Nigga, I'm trying to tell you what my mind be like. That's what my grind be like, that's what my shine be like. Yeah, I was at the Mercedes lot yesterday looking at that big Jeep, bam, 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 you know what I'm saying? When I pull out it like bam, niggas gonna be like, damn, that nigga really is getting money. Fist over hand. And any motherfucker that don't go hand when they see me pull up with the 23s gonna have to sneeze. Cause they must have some kind of disease, nigga. Hybrid been trying to preach the truth to niggas, niggas ain't listening. So I'ma just keep on motherfucking and be insisting that y'all niggas tune in and subscribe to what I do. Cause what I do is like me feeding you vegetables, gonna be healthy for you. And your wallet and your mind frame and how I tame dame. Shit, I got a lame bitch coming over here today gonna play with dick.
You get the fuck up for $1 million?
He wants to fuck her.
Fuck, give her a couple of chips. Shit, I got so many, it's like bringing off a penny.
Again with the money?
Yeah, again with the money.
Ain't really much, if any. Hell, that's gonna help you, I'm happy, but for me, that's just some throwaway money, probably. So fuck it, you made me feel real good, made my goddamn volcano erupt. Got up on me and let me hear that thunder, now you feel how I fuck. Now you wanna come back cause you get paid and you get dick down proper.
You get the fuck up for $1 million?
God damn it, I'm operating on these bitches. Fuck hybrid, they need to call me the doctor. Got hoes in line and niggas making videos about hoes, talking about how to love a hoe, what to do with a hoe. Nigga, you don't need a hoe, just make a hoe do her job, nigga.
He wants to fuck her?
And pay her, nigga. You ain't no player, nigga.
I can't eat!
Any bitch with me get the benefits. That's why I keep getting bad bitches all over my dick.
When you look at what Lord Hybrid is saying, he's right about all that, really.
Get the fuck out of here.